What is the definition of sexual assault? Have you ever wondered what sexual assault really means? It is a term that covers a range of non-consensual sexual actions. Understanding this definition is essential, especially when we look at high-profile cases like that of Harvey Weinstein. Sexual assault includes any sexual act that happens without the clear and voluntary consent of the victim. This can involve forced sexual intercourse, unwanted touching, or any sexual contact where consent is not given. The most important aspect of sexual assault is the lack of consent. Consent must be explicit and freely given. It cannot be obtained through threats, force, or manipulation. If someone is unable to give consent due to intoxication or age, that also falls under the definition of sexual assault. There are many types of acts that can be classified as sexual assault. These include forced sexual intercourse, fondling, and attempted rape. Each of these acts is serious and can have lasting effects on the victim. In many cases, sexual assault involves some form of force or coercion. This could mean physical force, threats, or taking advantage of someone who is incapacitated. The methods used to commit these acts can vary widely, but the impact on the victim is often profound. Legal definitions of sexual assault can differ depending on where you are. In some regions, it may be referred to as sexual battery or criminal sexual conduct. Each jurisdiction has its own laws that specify what constitutes sexual assault and the penalties involved. When examining true crime cases, such as Harvey Weinstein's, it is vital to understand the legal and social aspects of sexual assault. Weinstein faced numerous allegations of non-consensual sexual acts, which are central to the definition of sexual assault. His case brought attention to the issues of power dynamics and consent in professional environments. In analyzing cases like Weinstein's, criminologists and true crime enthusiasts must consider how consent is defined legally and socially. They look at the evidence presented in court, the strategies used by both sides, and how society views these cases. This understanding helps to clarify the complexities surrounding sexual assault and its implications in the legal system. By grasping the definition of sexual assault, we can better understand the challenges faced by victims and the importance of consent in all sexual interactions.